Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we're going to teach you guys how to make our version of the Chipotle chicken bowl. This was a request by one of our subscribers, Jenny. She asked us a while back, so we decided to listen to her request. I think this is a really good lunch or meal idea. On top of that, a meal prep idea. So we're going to teach you guys how to make our version of their cilantro lime rice and also their chicken. The rest of the toppings I got all at Trader Joe's, and this is not sponsored, but I wish Trader Joe's did sponsor us. You can pick all of these toppings up at Trader Joe's like we did to make a really good, fantastic bowl. So let's dive right in and check out what these ingredients are. For the rice, I'm gonna wash 1 cup of white rice and I'm gonna rinse it until the water runs clear. Gonna add this to my bowl. We'll add a drizzle of olive oil, 1.5 cups of water to this, a teaspoon of salt. Let's give this a mix. And we're gonna cook it now. So we'll have that cooking in the back on high heat until it reaches a boil. Now onto our chicken. We have 2 chicken breast pieces. I'm gonna remove any excess fat that it might have. This is a pretty good chicken though. Okay, and now I'm gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces just so it's easier and faster to cook it. Growing up, I loved Chipotle. We used to live by one, and when people would always be like, do you like Chipotle? Or do you like, what's the other one? I don't even know. Qdoba? Yeah. Qdoba. I'm like, excuse me? How dare you even compare Qdoba to Chipotle? I just love Chipotle. I think the only thing I liked about Qdoba was their cheese. Do you like bigger chunks, Grace? Or slightly smaller?
Slightly smaller.
Okay, so maybe these are too big for you.
They look a little big. I guess they do reduce too in size.
Mm-hmm. I'll just make it a mismatch. Okay. Like some will be bigger, some will be smaller. We'll turn it down to a low and let it cook in there for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna cut up our cilantro. Personally, I don't think I would do this much, but Grace really likes cilantro.
I put it in everything.
And also, I would never get the burritos. I got that in the beginning, but I realized that you get a much better bang for your buck with the bowl because you just get more.
It feels like more.
Oh my God. Do you remember in college, we would go to Chipotle and they used to give so much back then. I would ask for like extra everything except chicken because that costs extra. And then I would split that into 2 meals so I can get a full day meal out of it.
Yeah, I used to do that too. Like eat half and then...
Eat half and save half.
Yeah.
And it tastes so good when you pan fry the leftovers.
Yeah, it does.
It's so good. I just add more sour cream and some Tabasco to it. And it's weird because I ate so much Chipotle, but I still love it to this day because I feel like it's somewhat healthy compared to the other fast food restaurants.
Well, it's more nutritional.
It's less calories than you would think.
Yeah.
Black pepper, some chili powder, oregano, cumin, vinegar, a little bit of water to balance it out, and the juice of half a lime. Oh. Give this a mix. I almost forgot, but let's add in our cilantro to this. Now we're gonna refrigerate this and let it marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours and then cook it.
Wow, that looks amazing. The green is such a nice pop of color.
So do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 전화기, which means phone. it was like landlines. You would call them 전화기. With cell phones, they used to just call it 핸드폰, which is like hand phone, like something you carry around. But I would say nowadays landlines aren't that common, so everyone just calls it 전화기. I feel like it got kind of replaced. So yes, today's word of the day is 전화기, which means phone. Let's cook our chicken. Get a pan ready on high heat. Add in oil of your choice. I'm using olive oil. And we'll cook this until it's fully cooked and the juice from the chicken is all evaporated. So all these toppings you can get at Trader Joe's. In the frozen section, they have charred corn. It is so good. The charred smoked flavor is on point. Pico De Gallo, I got the hottest version that they have, and it always tastes very fresh, and I do really like their pico. Lettuce we got from Trader Joe's, cilantro we got from Trader Joe's. And for the cheese, you could use Mexican cheese, but I feel like at Chipotle, it's never a mix of the orange and the white colors. It's usually just white. So I picked up a low skim mozzarella cheese. We also have some sour cream, and I picked up some black beans. I always add black bean to my bowl. Oh, actually, if I'm hungry, I will, and if I'm not that hungry, I'll opt out of the beans. But all of these are from Trader Joe's. Feel free to stop by and pick all of these up. It's so good. Our rice is fully cooked, so we'll add that in. Squeeze in our lime. Oh my god, why do I keep doing that? Is that enough, Grace? Or more?
I think that's good for now.
Okay. Give all of this a mix. Add some of our chicken to our bowl of rice.
I'm gonna use the rest of the cilantro.
You can use whatever you want.
Alright, are you gonna eat?
Wait, can you wait? I have to mix it now.
Taking so long.
Let's eat.
Mmm. Right.
Good?
We actually taste Chipotle.
Better.
Better. I don't know what it is. It tastes so good. Maybe it's like the ingredient.
Wow, it's so good.
So good. The chicken's so juicy and tender. Rice is so good.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I purposely added so many different acidic ingredients into the chicken so that it can super tenderize it.
Oh.
Do you like
I
it?
think the acidity really helps with the flavor.
I can't stop.
So good.
I'm just gonna finish up chewing so we can end this. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is so good and is a must. It'll be the perfect meal plan, the perfect way to have Mexican at home for your family or your friends. We'll see you guys on our next video.